Guide to using tennis balls for lower back pain relief. Why a tennis ball? While there are lots of massage tools for your lower back pain, tennis balls happen to be a cheap, portable, and handy self-massage tool. Basically, the ball acts like a tiny foam roller that you can take with you wherever you go. This roller effect has several influences in relieving your lower back pain. Loosening soft tissues. Releasing muscle tension. Reducing the hyperactivity of nerves, easing pain signals. Relieving entrapped nerves. Improving flexibility. Increasing blood flow and improving blood vessel function. Releasing endorphins, natural pain-fighting hormones. 3 ways to relieve lower back with a tennis ball. So, how can you use a tennis ball to relieve your lower back pain? Here are 3 techniques that you can try at home, in the office, or if you're traveling. 1. Apply focused pressure to a sore muscle group. Lie on the floor on your back. Place the tennis ball under your lower back, buttocks or upper thighs. Move around gently until the tennis ball presses against a sore muscle group. Apply focused pressure, but not too hard. Do not roll the ball directly over your spine. If you feel any sudden or sharp pain, stop immediately. If you prefer not to lie on your back, you can also try this method sitting in a chair. 2. Roll the ball under each foot. Massaging your feet with a tennis ball stretches your hamstring and calf muscles and can provide immediate, effective low back pain relief. Simply roll the tennis ball under your foot from toe to heel. Press as hard as you can tolerate along the inner arch of the sole while avoiding pain. Massage each foot for about 2 to 4 minutes. 3. Create a double tennis ball massager. This technique requires you to craft a massager out of 2 tennis balls duct taped together. Use as much tape as you need to create a peanut shape, then follow these steps. Place your DIY massager on the ground and lie on it on your back with your knees bent. The tennis balls should be above your lower back and parallel to your hips. Make sure each tennis ball is positioned on either side of your spinal column. You should feel balanced and comfortable. Then, raise both arms straight above you with your fingers pointed toward the ceiling. Slowly lower each straightened arm one at a time toward your head, bending your neck gently backward with the movement. Hold this position for a few seconds before bringing your arm back to its original place. As you perform this technique, the tennis balls should gently press and massage your sore muscles. Alternate this action 4 times for each arm.